In this video, we will discuss spray guns in pharmaceutical industry and discuss its application in pharma industry and factors affecting its performance. Hi guys, welcome to my channel with another video, Pharma Spray Gun. In this video, we will discuss a common yet critical component of a pharmaceutical manufacturing process called spray gun. We will start with its introduction. Then we will discuss its application in pharma manufacturing process. That is, what are the equipment that uses the spray gun. And in the last, we will discuss what are the factors that affect the performance of a spray gun. So let's start. Introduction. The spray gun is a small mechanical assembly with a precise hole in its center. It is used to pass the desired liquid through the hole with varying flow characteristics in the form of a spray. By using a spray gun, it is possible that spray characteristics can be controlled and adjusted according to the process and product requirement. The spray pattern through the spray gun can be controlled by changing different parameters such as flow rate and air pressure. By changing these parameters, we can have our desired pattern as required by the process and product. The spray gun is fixed on a mechanical assembly called a manifold. A manifold is attached to a specific part of a pharma equipment which can be moved or its angle can be adjusted without removing the spray gun. There can be more than one spray gun in a pharma equipment that depends on the process and product requirement. Application of spray gun in pharma industry. Now let's discuss its application and see what equipment it is being used in. In the pharmaceutical industry, spray guns are used in processes where spray is required as a part of process requirement. Some common processes or equipment where a spray gun is commonly used are tablet coating, vessel cleaning, spray drying, high shear mixer granulator, and fluid bed dryer. Let's briefly discuss each equipment and see how a spray gun serves the purpose. Tablet coating. Spray guns are used in tablet coating to coat the surface of tablet with the specified liquid. Spray guns are attached to the manifold inside the coating pan containing tablets. The coating pan continuously rotates during the coating process. Spray gun sprays the required liquid on the tablet bed as the pan rotates. Vessel cleaning. Like other equipment in pharmaceutical industry, cleaning is a critical and essential process for various vessels such as storage and manufacturing. Spray guns are used in cleaning of these vessels. For many vessels, spray gun is attached with the as a part of their design. The cleaning agent is sprayed across every location through spray guns during cleaning. Its benefit is that it helps to reach the hard to difficult locations without human intervention. Spray drying. Spray drying is an equipment that is used to convert liquid form to solid particles by drying the liquid components. Spray gun is used to spray the liquid to be dried. Spray gun sprays the liquid in a drying chamber which dries it through the effect of heat. High shear mixer granulator. High shear mixer granulator is equipment that is used to form granules from powdered state. During the process of granulation, binder is added as a part of process requirement. The spray gun is used to spray binder in the granulation process, which facilitates granules formation. Factors affecting performance of spray gun. Let's discuss factors affecting the performance of spray gun and how a spray pattern can be optimized for satisfactory process. Like every pharma machine and instrument, the spray gun must perform optimally for an effective spraying process and the resultant product. If the spray gun is not optimized, it will take longer time to finish the process, increase the consumption of product, and in some cases could result in wastage of the pharma product. There are some parameters related to the spray gun that must be optimized for, which will result in an effective spraying process and the resultant quality in the final product. Some factors that are considered critical for spray gun include spray gun angle, automation, spray rate, viscosity, nozzle's physical condition. Let's discuss each. Spray gun angle. Spray gun angle is the total coverage area of the spray gun. It mainly depends upon the distance of the spray gun from the tablet pad. The higher the distance, the higher the angle, and vice versa. However, if angle is too large, the liquid will disperse in air without reaching the tablet bed. Spray angle also depends upon viscosity of liquid. Higher viscous liquid will resist higher angle than lower viscous liquid for a given spray rate and air pressure. Other factors that affect the spray angle include nozzle capacity and spray pressure. When selecting a spray gun, choose one that best matches the specification of the liquid being sprayed. Additionally, spray gun angle should cover the entire product bed. If a single spray gun does not cover the entire product bed, increase the number of spray guns. Automation. Automation is a process of generating individual drops in the pharma spray gun. It defines the pattern of the sprayed liquid with individual drop properties. If the spray pattern is not uniform, that is, drops are not of equal size and shape, it will affect the spraying process and the quality of the final product. In addition to defects in the process and product, improper drop size also results in accumulation of liquid on the nozzle causing the hole to block. Automation is a controllable parameter that we can adjust the automation of a spray gun by controlling certain parameters. Factors that control automation include gun type and air pressure. Automation can be controlled by gun types and air pressure. For every gun type, specific automation characteristics can be produced that are defined by the spray gun manufacturer. Some spray guns are designed for smaller drops, while other are designed for large size drops. Specific gun has a specific automation attributes. Always provide relevant information to the spray gun manufacturer or supplier for an effective spray gun selection. Automation is also affected by the compressed air. Air is supplied with the liquid to the gun that mixes with the liquid to generate individual drops. Controlling the air pressure can be easily used to generate a spray pattern. Spray pressure. Spray pressure is the force by which liquid is made to pass through the spray gun. Typically, liquid is supplied to the gun through a pump such as pedal-started pump. Spray pressure is a pressure generated by the supplying pump. Spray guns are designed for a specific spray pressure. Spray pressure must be adequate for a given process, liquid characteristics, and product type. If a liquid is supplied with a higher pressure than a gun can sustain, it can damage the gun or it can function erratically. Viscosity. Viscosity is a natural phenomena related to all liquids and it is the resistance to the flow of liquid. The viscosity of a liquid affects the drop formation. Viscosity also affects the capability of a liquid during spraying to travel the required distance. More viscous the liquid, the lower the distance it can travel. Viscous liquid requires more spray pressure to travel to the desired distance. Physical condition of spray guns. The physical condition of spray gun also impacts the spray pattern. If the physical condition is satisfactory, it results in optimum performance and quality in the final finished form. Additionally, hole of the spray gun is also critical as a minor defect can damage the spray pattern. Accumulation of liquid on the spray gun head is a problem which blocks the hole and similarly affects the performance. Other common problems related to spray gun include, but not limited to, corrosion. Corrosion due to chemical reaction between liquid and gun material. It results in degradation in material with time and cracks the gun. Contamination. Contamination of the spray gun nozzle with dirt or other foreign bodies blocking the spray gun. The buildup of coating material on the inside and outside edges of the orifice is a common phenomena called bearding of the spray gun. High temperature liquid deteriorates the gun's material with time. Human errors such as incorrect gun installation. How to improve spray gun performance. Some measures that are helpful in improving the spray gun performance include regular preventive maintenance after fixed frequency, proper cleaning after the completion of each batch, daily inspection of the spray gun, and verifying its satisfactory condition during both working and off working time. Spray gun manufacturers or suppliers provide anti-bearding feature for some guns. Look for anti-bearding feature when purchasing a new spray gun or equipment. Replace the gun if the gun's physical condition cannot be improved. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you immediately know whenever there is a new video. You can also read this article on Pharma Spec's website. Link is also in the description.